Alright guys, so we are here just waiting for the car to show up. We're going to be doing just a little shoot. The guy hit me up because he's going to be leaving for college pretty soon and he just wanted a few pictures of his car. So we're going to get that knocked out today, and Casey's going to join me and just kind of like learn just a few things about photography. He does a lot more video stuff, so I'm going to help him out and kind of get him caught up.
I'm going to finger bang the shit out of this. So you only go that dark when you're shooting right behind. Hello, guys.
What?
So you only go that dark when you're shooting with the sun directly facing your lens because it kind of like blows everything out.
Because I'm exposing for the highlights, so the sun is the brightest part. So yeah, I expose basically for the sun.
What's the highest shutter speed that you ever go to?
Highest shutter speed, like I've maxed out at 8,000.
Okay, but like again, when you're shooting right in the sun, sometimes you do that.
Yeah, it just depends on the shot. If the highlights are there's just too much light coming in and you're shooting at like 1.4, then I'll bring it all the way up to 1/8,000th of a second.
Huh.
It really just depends. Alright guys, so we're out here still. We are just finishing up. The sun has just dropped behind the mountains right over there. Casey's taking a few pictures of the car right here. We're just kind of waiting for the sun to drop a little bit more, and then it should give the mountains hopefully a little bit of a reddish purple kind of tint, and then we'll be done with the shoot. Alright, so we're just finishing up right now. He is heading out. We had a really successful shoot today, like really great like skies and everything. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something on this little behind the scenes thing. I want to keep doing more of these. Stay tuned. I'll try to be as much help. If you need like any information, just send me a DM, put it in the comments, anything like that. And yeah, I'll catch you later.